It's like 2 in the morning. I found this little guy walking down the road. He's very confused. He doesn't know what he's doing. Just a little baby seagull. But I picked him up. I got him calmed down. He tried to snip at me a couple times, but I told him, no, no, no. Don't bite me. I'm trying to save you. He was just walking down the street. He can't take off for some reason. I don't know if he's just a fledgling or he's hurt. But I'll take him to the tiny house and tend to him. Maybe give him some water. And then call a vet in the morning, and somebody should take him. Okay. Calm down, pup. Pup. Yeah, I don't know what you call a baby seagull. I'll call it a pup. Seems to be a pleasant little fellow. Beautiful. Soft feathers. Just chilling. Richard's sitting in the back seat wondering what's going on. My pup. Little pup. There he is. What's he doing? Okay. Gotta figure out how to put this one to sleep. Give it a night's rest and see what happens in the morning.